Okay, so here's the problem in front of you. Right there you see, if we sold widgets for $2.50 per unit and our direct product costs were $1.20 per unit, and last month our fixed costs were $20,000 and operating income was $13,000, could we use this information to make a prediction for what our operating income or operating loss would be if we thought sales would increase by 10% over last month? Okay, now I corrected the English there so it reads a little better. So here's how I would set this up. We've got last month and this month. We know sales are $2.50 each. Their variable costs are $1.20. Therefore, $2.50 minus $1.20 would get us our contribution margin of $1.30. We know that the fixed costs were $20,000 and operating income was $13,000. Now that means we can force this number by adding the fixed cost to the operating income. Let's add this here, that plus this. Okay, and now we know that contribution margin was $33,000 last month. Okay, now sales, variable cost, and contribution margin are all variable, meaning if we get a 10% increase in sales, we're expecting a 10% increase in variable costs and therefore mathematically a 10% increase in contribution margin. And this should not be capitalized. All right, so if we expect that sales will increase by 10%, so will contribution margin. So we can take the 33,000 times 1.1. There's our 36.3 that we're going to expect next month. Fixed costs would remain the same. They're fixed. We don't expect them to change. Therefore, we just subtract fixed cost from contribution margin. And right there is the answer we're looking for. Okay, so 16,300 is what we would expect as our prediction for what operating income would be for this month.